Madison won't let her mum put the seatbelt on.
She needs to put her foot down. She needs to tell her child, no, you put your seatbelt on. Full stop.
40 minutes later,
So what's going
they
on
still
now?
haven't left.
Oh, she's having Mimi?
Yeah.
She wants Mimi.
I'm feeding her just to settle her down and then I can get her back in the seat.
This little girl has, too much control and quite frankly, it's no good for you. You can see what it's doing for her.
Maddie's finally strapped in so the family can leave. With Supernanny keeping a watchful eye from behind.
Oh, she slapped Flynn right across the face. Madison, stop! We're going to have to get ahead. She's got no straps on her. She's just driving. Mum must be able to see in her back mirror.
Supernanny has to step in.
Jenny. We can't do this. You'd have seen that in your back mirror. I know you'd have seen it. But we can't do this. I can't allow you to do this.
Yeah. Right, Flynn, sit back. Sit back.
As you can see here, she's having to deal with the seatbelt scenario again because she's fighting to get out of it.
Mummy's putting her seatbelt on.
Maddie isn't the only one used to going without a seatbelt.
Where's Flynn's seatbelt? What's happening here with Flynn? Is she at the traffic lights? Do you know what? Let's do that. It's the first time for everything on this gig. They're going to have to wait for a minute. The cars are going to have to wait. Going to have to wait. What, you put your seatbelt?
Otherwise, you're not going to be able to go and get her.
I don't like you like that.
Look.
Sorry, can you go around? Can you go around?
Don't you dare be so horrible.
I need you looking in your mirror because this is safety. I mean, look, you can see.
Flynn, keep the seatbelt on.
It's ridiculous.
Be quiet. Be quiet.
Look, this is not working.
Stop it. Stop it.
This is one nightmare journey too many for Jenny.
Put the seatbelt on, Flynn.
Jenny. What's going on, girl? Hey?
This is so hard to get them to...
What's hard?
To get them to sit in the seatbelt and...
Why are they not putting the seatbelts on?
They don't like it and I always just let them get away with it because I just need to get to the shop, so I just leave them normally.
They finally reach their destination, but it's taken over an hour and a half to complete a journey of less than 3 miles.
What's that look?
Sorry.
What a palaver that was. Now, what we've got here is the mirror
Right, okay.
to go on the back.
Okay.
And a very safe car seat for Maddie. Now, once you're driving, if anything kicks off, look in your mirror,
Yeah.
okay, and use your tone of voice.
Right. Sit back for me. Only going to the petrol station. Only take a couple of minutes.
A new assertive mum gets the kids belted up without any complaint.
Mama, why you got a big mirror and a baby mirror?
So that I can see you and Cameron and Flynn and I know exactly what you're doing.
Can't see me.
Yeah, you all got your seatbelts on like good boys and girls?
Yeah.
Good stuff.
So they've all got their belts on, which is good.
You're all being very, very good.
And really what we're seeing is an extension from the house now in the car. You know, they're listening and doing as they're told because they respect what their mum's saying.
And that was lovely behaviour, boys and Madison.
I mean, it's a big difference. I mean, the first time they were just kicking off. They were fighting, Mum couldn't get their seatbelts on. I mean, it was mayhem. And Mum was more panicky. Look, now, look. There she goes. In, the kids have behaved themselves.
Good girl.
They haven't even taken their seatbelts off.
Now that is lovely behaviour. Hazel on the window.